Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the converter and allowing access to photos and files so the app can read and save images. Next, pick the images you want to include. Choose them in the sequence you want pages to follow because order matters for multi-page PDFs. Once selected, tap the first Convert action to load images into the editor. This begins the process now, not later, so you can immediately arrange, edit, and set output options without extra setup steps. Once images are loaded, arrange them by dragging to set page sequence. You do this because the visual flow affects readability. Then crop and rotate any misaligned photos so text and subjects fit the page. This improves scan quality. After that, adjust compression or quality to balance file size versus clarity, choose page size and orientation, and enable OCR if you need searchable text. Make sure to preview the entire PDF to confirm layout and settings before you export. Finish by tapping Export or Save and pick a destination folder or cloud account. A clear file name helps you find the file later. After saving, use the app share options to email or upload the PDF where needed. If you need editable text, run OCR now and verify results. If something goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Confirm the app has photo and storage permissions, ensure you have enough free space. Then close and reopen the app and retry the conversion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.